Assalamualaikum students, I hope you all are doing well. Today's lecture I will be teaching you about articles. Now I want you all to open up your new Oxford Modern English Workbook 3 and turn to page number 3 of your workbook. Now for articles, basically articles we use whenever we're writing a noun, we put the articles in front of a noun. Now there are a total 3 articles. Before starting your work, you're going to put the date and day like this date, that is Monday 20th April 2020. You're going to put this date on top of your workbook, on the top of the page, and then listen to my lecture. So basically, articles are some words that we use to support a noun. For example, a, an, and the. These are the 3 articles. Now I will tell you when we use a, when we use an, and when we use the. A is used for a word which is starting with a consonant. Basically, consonant are the alphabets. Consonant are all the other alphabets except the vowels. You know what the vowels are? A, E, I, O, U. So the consonants are all the rest of the letters. For example, A is a vowel, so A is not a consonant, but B is a consonant. C, D, E is a vowel. F, G, H, I is a vowel. K, J, L, M, N, O is a noun. P, Q, R, S, T, U is a noun. V, W, X, Y, and Z. These alphabets are known as the consonants. So any word that is starting with a consonant, we use the article a before that noun. Moving on to an. An is the article that is used for all the words that are starting with vowels. Now we all know what the vowels are, the 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. So any word that is starting with the vowels, we use an before that noun. Let's move on to the. Now the is the article that is used in 2 situations. Whether the word is special, the noun is special, or that noun is only one. For example, there's only one sun, there's only one moon, there's only one earth, right? So we'll use the with sun, moon, earth, like the sun, the moon, the earth. And for the special ones, for example, there are lots of rivers, but there is only one river, Indus. There is only one Atlantic Ocean, right? So these are basically the special nouns. So we use the with these nouns. Get it? Now I'll give you an example of all the three articles, how they're used with nouns. For example, a is used like a boy, a cat, a girl. Now see, B, C, G, all these nouns are starting with consonants. So that's why article a is used. Now in this case, an umbrella, an octopus, an apple. Now you can see the starting letter of these nouns are vowels. So that's why we're using an with these vowels. Let's move on to the. Now the is of course used in 2 cases, like the river Indus, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, or the Mars. There's only one Mars on this whole solar system. We can also say the solar system, right? So that's when the is used. Now let's move on to the exercise on page number 3 that I just asked you all to Turn to. Now in the first exercise, this is exercise B, articles. Question number 1. You have to give examples of your own for the articles a and the, exactly like the way I did. I showed you some examples over here, like this. A boy, a cat, a girl, an umbrella, an octopus, an apple, the Pacific Ocean, the Mars, the solar system. You have to give examples just like these on your workbook on question number 1. You can write a ball, a bat, a cow. Basically, you have to give 5 examples of each of them. 5 examples of using the article a, 5 examples of using the article an, 5 examples of using the article the. Alright? Now this is the classwork that we just did. And in the second question, question number 2, write a or an before these nouns. You have to do this as homework. Now you will see, look at the nouns. First you have to look at the nouns and you have to determine whether the first letter of this noun is a consonant, or it can be a noun, a vowel, or the whole noun can be a special thing. For example, the world, right? The large ear. There you don't see many large ears, so you can write a large ear or the large ear. Both of them will make sense. Alright? Now let's move on to question number 3 of exercise B, and this exercise you will do with me. So you have to keep your pencils in your hand while I'm doing the exercise over here. Now let's read question number 3. Write a, an, or the where they are necessary in the following. Now let's do A part. In dash Atlantic Ocean, there are many dash fish. Now see, it says where they are necessary. Now there are some blanks where we don't need to put an article. So you're not supposed to put an article in those blanks. So because Atlantic Ocean is a special thing, so we'll use the with it. In the Atlantic Ocean. Let's look at part B. One day, dash ostrich ran into a garden. Now ostrich is starting with O. So that is why we'll put the article and with it. It stayed in the garden for a week. Now garden, of course, this boy who's talking, they only had one garden, no? They had one garden, that is why we'll use the article the garden. For a week, because week is starting with a consonant, W. A week. C part, Hira is dash good dancer. Now G, because good is starting with G and G is a consonant, we'll put a. She is dash best dancer in dash school. Now because best, she's the only one who is the best now. So basically she's one. So for one thing we use the. She's the only best dancer. So that is why we'll use the article the with best. She is the best dancer in dash school. Of course, there's only one school that she goes to. So we'll put the article the. Let's move on to D part. Mount Everest is dash very high mountain. Now it is a mountain, no? So we'll say it is a very high mountain. But if we were talking about Mount Everest and the blank was before Mount Everest, we would have put the Mount Everest because there's only one Mount Everest. But since we're talking about mountains and there are many mountains, that is why we used a. It is dash highest mountain. Now see, now we're talking about Mount Everest and there's only one Mount Everest. That is why we'll put the. It is the highest mountain in the world. Now there's only one world. That is why I'll write the with world. Now let's move on to E part. Last week I went to doctor. Now see, she went to doctor now. Doctor is starting with a D and D is a consonant. So that's why we'll write I went to a doctor. Last part, please pass dash sugar Raheel. Now because there's only one sugar box in the house, so that is why we'll use the sugar Raheel. Alright, please pass the sugar Raheel. Now once again I will read all the answers out and you have to check your answers. A part says, in the Atlantic Ocean, there are many dash fish. Now see, in this dash, we're not putting a, we're not putting and, we're not putting the, because it does not make any sense. So you'll just put a dash on this one because it's not used. B part, one day an ostrich ran into our garden. It stayed in the garden for a week. C part, Hira is a good dancer. She is the best dancer in the school. D part, Mount Everest is a very high mountain. It is the highest mountain in the world. E part, last week I went to see a doctor. F part, please pass the sugar, Rahil. Now, this was your classwork, and this one you have to do independently. I have given you examples at the start of the lecture, and this one is your homework, and you have to do this independently. I hope you understood what articles are, and if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section of this video, and I will happily answer you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.